no spark. Number 1, no spark. That gets a spark. Number 3, those all get sparks, so I gotta change glow plug number 1. Alright, so first thing I did was disconnect the battery, and then these glow plug wires, you can tell on by that rubber grommet, and you can lift them out of the way a little bit, give you more room to access glow plug number 1, which is right there. So I also removed this fuel line, just clipped in there with the clip, and then I'm going to pop this off with a screwdriver. Alright, this wire is kind of in the way here, so I'm going to pop that off over here. Wedged it off. Here we go, it's popping up. There we go. Easy, so I used a wrench to hold that wire down, and that wrench was stopped by this. It was kind of wedged between the wire and that right there, so it couldn't go up anymore. It would hit this right here, and I was able to get it. I enjoy this part, so I'm going to record it just simply coming off. We're just taking a 12mm and spinning it off just like that. Once again, another fun part, just twisting it off by hand. Check on my log, the last time it was changed was 2011. It's 2019, so it's been in there 8 years almost. I used some PB Blaster. Alright, so I'm tightening it up with the 12mm combination wrench. I used a bungee cord kind of to pull all this stuff back, kind of pull these wires out of the way. So I got a lot of room there to with the deep 12mm socket. The best way it worked though, even with that deep on this, just hang it off like that. You got enough room, you got it. Just keep turning. The little one helped too. That's nice. 3's working, 4's working, 3's working, 1 is working. As long as it gets a spark, it's working, and 2 is working. Also, check out in the details below on how to change glow plug number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got them all in separate steps. Please subscribe and like. Alright, if you're lucky, and I hope you are, these are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 8mm combination wrench, 8mm socket, 12mm socket, 12mm combination wrench, and I guess it's like a 3/8 drive, and that's like a smaller drive. I guess that's a 1/4-inch drive. And you might need PB, magnet, you need a screwdriver, and that's it. So check out the links